Yeah, this is probably going to be my quickest video yet. I am totally winging it because I haven't got round to recording anything and it's release day today. What the hell? So let's start by saying how I'm doing. I've lost £1 pound, which is good. That means I'm roughly where I was 6 months ago. That's bad. Or is it? I am still nearly 5 stone lighter than I was when I started this journey, and that's still something to be proud of. As you know, over a few weeks I went into a bit of a, not self-destructive, I wasn't really feeling the dieting vibe. And I think this week started the same. So what I've done is I've just gone with what I'm pre-programmed to do, which is eat sensible 3 times a day and a little bit of light snacking. So it'll be interesting to see what that does to the scales next week. But because I've been doing it, and this is the point I'm trying to get across with this video, is it's not so much what you achieve on a weekly basis, it's about reprogramming yourself. I know it's bad to stop in Greggs, but I like doing it. But you know there's a payback, so if I have a sneaky Greggs on the way to work, I'm pulling it back as the day goes on. So essentially all I'm going to do is flash up a few pictures of the sort of things that are keeping me semi on track this week. I'm not going to bother with the breakfast, it is overnight oats, except when there's been a Greggs. But lunch is a really simple salad with a bowl of miso soup, because I love miso soup. There it is. That kicks in at 250 calories. It's a bit of chicken, some salad and some miso soup, because I love miso soup. Evening meal, that varies, but here are some of the ones I have regularly. Crispy chili chicken with rice and katsu. Everything's better with katsu, let's be honest. That kicks in under 600 calories and it's a good whack of protein. Another one is fish cake with chicken katsu, rice and mushrooms. Again, you can do that within 5 minutes of getting in from work. Well, obviously the cooking time, but you know, fish cake in the air fryer, rice is rice, curry sauce is curry sauce, they take minutes. And here's one I've been having a lot of lately that I've been really actually enjoying. And it is so simple. 2 bao buns steamed. It's the only way to cook it. If you microwave it, you are an evil person. With some sweet potato fries and a bit of ketchup mayonnaise. That bad boy kicks in at 500 calories, and trust me, when you've eaten 2 steamed bao buns and a portion of chips, it's plenty of food. So my tracking's been a bit loose, but I've still tracked and I've looked back, and yeah, my intake has been up slightly. I've been averaging about 1800 a day. That's allowing me the odd trip to Greggs. So it's a win. Next week I'm going to be a bit more focused. I might actually prepare something rather than just sit in front of you and talk rubbish. But thanks ever so much for continuing to watch. If you've got any comments to make, how are you struggling when you're more than a few months in? And I think the secret is to track, because you know where you're at, you can see where it's happened. Even if you're only tracking your weight, at least step on the scales once a week. But another great way of tracking is, do your clothes still fit? Mine do, so I'm happy with that. I'll see you next week.